Good morning, all dear students. Today we will be discuss on accounting for investment. Myself, Dr. Mahinder Khardia, Assistant Professor, ABST, Department of Commerce, Government Lohia College, Churu. Dear students, accounting for investment, new chapter of financial accounting. All students are requested to note important note of this content and watch video at the end. Let's start today lecture. Discuss on accounting for investment. Everybody is to save a few amount for future contingencies and unforeseen expenses. Everybody is to save few amount for future contingency and and unforeseen expenses. Such saving when provide to the company or other business organizations or to government and semi-government as capital or loan are known as investment or government and semi-government as capital or loan are known as investments. The persons who invest as saving is no investor. Investment has defined by G. Francis X. Avilier as investment is an assets which is not used directly in production, trading operations, but occupy only an auxiliary relationship to the main business. Relationship to the main business. Said G. Francis X. Oliverini. The certificate received by an investor against investment are known as securities. The certificates received by an investors against investments are known as securities. The security may be the firm made the form of shares. Security may be in the form of shares, debentures, bonds, government loan, and government certificates. These securities are generally issued by the company, cooperative society, central and state governments, semi government institutions, and local authorities. The securities are generally issued by the company, cooperative society, central and state governments, semi governments, institutions, and local authorities. Nowadays, companies are incorporated with the main objective of investing the amount or the provide the funds to other companies. Such companies are known as investment companies, finance companies, mutual funds. If investor invests the amount in several companies, governments, institutes, each he has to maintain a separate ledger for each investment, which is known as investment ledger. If investor investment the amount in several companies, government institutes each, he has to maintain a separate ledger for each investment, which is known as investment ledger. In investment ledger, separate account is open for each and every type of investment. For example, uh, investment in debenture, Tata Chemical Limited, investment in debenture of Tisco Limited, investment in central government bonds, and investment in state government bonds each. For example, on the basis objective, the securities are a fixed or long-term investment, and second, temporary investment. Fixed for long-term investment are for to earn income, B to establish control on company, and C to invest for a special object like establishing an assets remained debenture and to provide comparison to workers. Comparisons to workers. On the other hand, the temporary investment are made only for the purpose of taking benefit of fluctuations in market rates of investment. Fluctuations in the market rate of investment. On the basis of income, the investments may be fixed income investment and second variable income investment. Fixed income investments are those on which interest is to be received at a fixed date. For example, debentures, preferences, government securities, and deposits. For example, debenture rate are fixed, preference share rate is fixed, government and security deposit rate are fixed. Fixed income investment are those. And second, on the other hand, where income on security is varied year to year, the as known as variable or fluctuating income investments are example investment in equity shares. Equity shares rate are not fixed and uh, rate of are fluctuating. These are investment of variable income investment. For example, investment in equity shares. Two types of shares: fixed income investment and variable income investment. Two types of investment. These are accounting for investment. Thank you. Thank you very much.